Hi, I'm Simon, creator of Patma. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the key details that landlords need to know about making tax digital. Making tax digital for landlords is all about making tax digital for income tax self-assessment, also known as MTD for ITSA. This is not to be confused with making tax digital for VAT, which is something very different, and it's also not to be confused with the existing HMRC website that you may well be familiar with, having made your own tax returns in previous years. Making tax digital for ITSA and making tax digital for landlords is a new system and a new requirement. What does it require you to do? Well, you must keep complete digital records for all of your landlord finances. HMRC will still only receive the totals for each of the tax categories, but you must be storing all of the evidence and breakdown from those totals into individual transactions. Will making tax digital affect you? If you're a landlord who holds property in a personal name and that property generates £10,000 or more of income, then definitely it will. However, you can also be affected if you have a total income across property and self-employment of £10,000 or more. When will making tax digital affect you? You need to be keeping digital records from April 2024. And your first making tax digital submission must be made between July and August 2024. So that's 3 months after the start of that tax year, and you have 1 month within which to make the submission. What do you need to do for making tax digital? Well, start now. If you start now keeping digital records, then you've got lots of time to get used to the systems, work out how they work, and if you need it, to ask for support. It will be easier to seek support now rather than waiting until the rush nearer the deadline. Keeping digital records is easy with Patma. You can use open banking or electronic invoices, or even just take photos of receipts with your phone and upload them directly into Patma. The quarterly submission process is also just 2 clicks in Patma. So every quarter you'll be sent an email, you visit the website, make sure your records are complete and up to date, and in 2 clicks you've submitted those details to HMRC. At the end of every year, you'll need to complete an end-of-year statement for your property income. Again, this is very easy to do through Patma. Hopefully you'll have kept all of your digital records complete throughout the year, and then it's just a case of a few clicks and checking those details before you submit them to HMRC. You then need to complete an annual tax return. This is similar to the current self-assessment tax return, and if it's suitably simple, you'll be able to do this directly through Patma. However, it will also bring together any other income sources you have from elsewhere, and you may need to use the HMRC system to make that final annual tax return. This will be a different system to the current self-assessment system. What should you do right now? Visit patma.co.uk and create a free account with a 14-day trial of pro features and lifetime free account for one single let property. Start making your life easier with a streamlined digital system. Links and extra information are in the description of this video.